a town hall. Different.
Waiting this one they do.
Bro, I'm working on my time machine.
Which time machine? Nah, Yahoo boy. Police go soon cash am.
Yes, I've done it.
You have done waiting.
My time machine is completed.
Yeah, now let's test it. Take me 30 years ago. I want to see what my papa use in life do.
Me too.
I don't understand. Which one be me too? What you concern your papa?
You concern me, oh. See as you broke.
You dey use your function to play.
Take two of us.
Phone for you.
Yeah, nice. You know say your papa no work out.
What be this? Mistake.
Where be this? What thing you do for you?
We are slaves.
Wow. I no be slave in Jesus' name. We will not be slave. 25th December, 1740. That's slave trade we did. That's slave trade we did. Hey, James, Roger, where you carry us come? Now go.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas. Just slave they do Christmas. You know even they think.
Silence!
Jesus.
Master Collins said, all slaves to the ship now.
Slave with gender. Slave, they are calling you.
Hey, you two. Are you not blacks? What are you still waiting for?
Sure, you didn't want me. I'm white. My name is Paul Cleverly, and this is my friend.
Justin Bieber. Bieber.
Justin Bieber.
Hello. People know.
Is that not Igbo? Follow me.
He's American Igbo. He's American Igbo.
This
He's American Igbo.
Make sure.
He's American Igbo. James, do something. You know, Chris, where you carry us go?
Sorry, now my first time.
Can't you know Sabi speak English? Every time Igbo. You know, now when you put us for trouble with that, you know, get sense.
Yes, let's go.
Let's go where?
Where my phone?
Yeah. I don't forget my phone for that slave trade. Please take two of us back. Best slap you. Ship now you want to see my papa. You go see him today. Bless you the Chris. Take two of us back.
Jesus.
Again.
Run.
This man in the first place.
Yeah. Lion. Lord help Jesus. Can't you please save me?
Samson, you can do it.
Who is Samson? My name is Imam. My dad is a pastor.
You can do it now.
I'm not Samson. This is a misunderstanding.
See, the hair is the strength.
Who give me dreadlock?
So what are you betting?
Nah, this lion why they see go buy Samson break.
Okay.
Samson, we need that.
Okay.
Sure for me.
Lion.
Jesus.
Abigail, fight.
Abigail, please don't fight. Female to female, please don't fight.
Jesus.
Angry lion, mark mommy now.
When you marry a TikToker.
Oh, I'm going to the end when now. What's wrong with me? I'm supposed to do like this. Babe, you're welcome. Is that body you call it? What am I so dumb now? But you know what? What is wrong with this game? Baby, that's just nice. Very simple now. You get it now. Jesus! Come on, body, no join body. You join body, you collect. Area, Mama, show me. Yeah, if you plan for your area, now for your area. Let me watch it. I think I got it now. Shall we go?
Can nobody no join body? You join body, you call it. Leader.
Then the eyes they pay me and they waiting me this.
Can nobody no join body? You join body, you call it. Leader body, yeah. If you be like for area, na for area. Malo magawula the good thing. One join, yeah. Etin with you.
If you join body, you carry your bag, you go your papa.
Is that what you're doing?
Okay, get out of here.
But I need cash.
Oga, network no deal.
No network.
At all. Please, I need cash.
How much you want?
20k.
Oh, okay. Thank you.
Oh, you're welcome.
Madam, I just say network one day.
I don't get network for 500 naira withdrawal.
Hell!
Buhari! Say it again, Buhari!
You don't come outside, mo go knock again, mo go knock again.
Wake up! Wait! Easy!
Something fishy going on.
You people are acting blue face. Comrade, Mulo.
You get it?
Not be juju be that.
Continue this thing! Answer me! Mop everything for me! Without your dirty tongue! Mop it! You answer me! You are going to use this your tongue even to wash my clothes!
My love, how are you?
Okay, I really miss you. I just got back from my meeting right now. It was so stressful and I've just been thinking of you all day.
I may miss you past. I miss you too.
I can't wait to see you in the next 2 days.
This distance is taking a hold of me for sure.
This distance is taking a hold on me for sure.
I cannot wait to have you closer.
Baby, come closer.
But I hope you are not cheating on me.
No, you know me now. I would never do that.
Okay, no problem. I'll call you tomorrow. I don't have any time. I love you, okay? Huh? I miss Sasha.
Madam, don't finish. Madam, almost done.
And I thank God she's not cheating on me.
Okay, are you still doing or not? I'm getting dried.
I will do.
No, we just pray.
What am I going to do?
You don't shoot. You don't finish. My guy. No. You don't die. I know.
No.
Nobody can take my destiny, oh. Nobody can take my destiny, oh. That's a matter. No go look at face. One day the house to pay. One day the house to pay. Nobody can take my destiny, oh. Nobody can take my destiny, oh. That's a matter. No go look at face. One day the house to pay. One day the house to pay. Nobody can take my destiny, oh.
Bala blue.
Ah, God.
Wrap it up. Just wrap it up.
Doctor, please, how's my wife? Doctor, how's my wife?
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon.
You must be Mr.
Mr. A.B. Abayomi, my wife. Okay. The husband.
And you are?
This is my sister.
Okay, so you guys brought her in really late. Yeah, and we tried our possible best. And she's doing fine now. She's doing very okay now. Yeah, in the hands of the Lord. That's why he sent her back to life.
Doctor, are you mad? Are you mad?
Before she now kicked the bucket. The bucket will be beside her bed now. Now the bucket will she kick now because she did alive. Now it's in there. But now she's in coma, sha.
Comrade, is she still alive or she's dead? Which one?
Myself, I don't lie you, I don't know. I don't try. But I don't check on. I don't know if it's in the work self. But if you check on, sha, check on.